BarryTiger.
Save the sleepless taxi. I'm so sleepy. Dear passenger, I'm Nina. Please tell me your location. Meow. I'm at number 155 Key Street. Sure, I'll be there soon. Goodness, Meow. Why isn't Nina here yet? Oh, Nina! Goodness, Meow! Oh, I think I fell asleep. Wait, what? That's so dangerous. I need to call another taxi. I'm sorry. It seems that I can't keep working. I should ask Super Mechanic Barry to help me. Super Mechanic Barry is off from work. I'll come again tomorrow. Hi, welcome, Nina. Huh? Super Mechanic Barry! I'm sorry for the late disturbance. It's okay. I'm happy to help. Dear friends, the repair will begin now. Oh, Nina's rooftop light is gone. Don't be sad. I have many rooftop lights here for you. I like this rooftop light. What do you think? This is for a police car. It's not for me. All right. Oh, I remember. It should be this one. Yes, that's right. It has the correct name for me. Next up, I'll start to repair these dents around you. Wait! This is a toilet plunger. Relax. It's brand new and clean. See? Look how perfect it is. Perfect! I like that word. Oh no, looks like I'm not that perfect. I can fix it for you. Let's apply some glue to attach the rear view mirror. Oh no, I squeezed too much. All done. Let's attach the rear view mirror back to the car. We need to adjust the angle first. Ta-da! All done! Now it's finally a perfect Nina! The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for helping me. Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I should get back to work. Wait a second, Nina. I think you should go home first and get some sleep because driving without sleep is very dangerous. Yes, you're right. I don't want to squash my face flat again. Bye-bye. I'm going home to sleep. Good night, Nina. I need to go to bed too.